This is how the shoe shelf looks. This is what it looks like so far. Back to another vlog. This week's vlog is going to be just a series of me getting our apartment all nice and done up. I feel like so far we have a good handle on things and we're like ordering. I'm just trying not to like order quickly and like just because I'm kind of like trying to rush the process. I want to take my time with things, but I know I've had like over a year to like think about what exactly I wanted in my next space, which is why I've kind of been able to make this process go a little quicker. But I just wanted to show you guys what I just got in the mail. Got this little package and I'll show you what exactly it is. So in my room I have put up these shelves and I put my shoes in here. As you can see, my boots are really sad. So I got a bunch of boot inserts. And I'm gonna put them in and hopefully they'll stand up on their own. Okay, it comes with 4 pairs of boots, I believe. And then you can poke out this little hole right here. And supposedly it's supposed to be able to like hang in a closet if you have like the shoe hangers. So let's see if this works well. I'll try this first boot. So you need to fold it like this and slide them in. Let's see. Oh! Let's see if I go a little further. Okay, hopefully. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let me do the rest of my shoes and then I'll show you how they look. Goodness, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I was putting away all of these and I was talking. I was saying don't mind all my purses here. I still haven't found a home for them, but I will soon once I start getting everything organized. Like that's all my bathroom stuff over there. I'm gonna work on my bathroom today, but this was one of my goals, is to get my boots up and pretty. Oh my gosh, and that's how it looks. It looks so much better. Now they're all standing up, so I'll give you like a little far away shot. Yes! Oh gosh, the shoes look really good now that they're all standing up. Yeah, I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with this, if I'm gonna get maybe another. So these are IKEA Billy shelves. I was kind of thinking maybe adding another one here because I definitely have the room. Like this is about like 6 feet right here I measured, and this is another like 6-7 feet. So I definitely have another like room for another Billy. It'll go out to like right here, or I'll like push them all a little bit. So like I'll push them out 2 feet this way so that I can put one maybe right here. And I was thinking of just filing all of my purses on another Billy. But I don't know. What do you guys think? I could also get maybe like a little cabinet and store them in there. But this is sort of how I have my closet. I have like really chunky sweaters up there and crew necks. I still have to put some clothes away and then do some laundry. I rolled all of our jeans here and I kind of wanted to get another one of these for right here, and then put maybe like some accessories and stuff, because I kind of have that up here. Everything is still, I'm still like undecided on how I want to do everything, but like for it being like half a walk-in closet, it's not bad at all. I'm not sure if I showed you guys yet, this is a magazine rack. I think this is all I'm gonna have on top of there, my cowboy hat and the magazine rack. I might file some magazines, I might just leave it as is for like a structural decor piece, but we'll see. And then over here we are going to do a little dresser, and I think that's exactly how, like from this wall to this part of the brick, that's how long I would want it to be. But I think that this is perfect because these bins will resemble the drawers, hopefully. But I feel like most like double-sided drawers come with only like 6, and this is 4 bins each, so we'll have to see how we're gonna work that out. Haven't put this up yet. This is going up over the bed, which I took a little nap earlier. It's going up over the bed, and I still have to set up the projector shelf, but slowly but surely, oh, and our lamp, but slowly but surely everything's coming along. So a quick little haul. We got a bunch of stuff from not TJ Maxx, Home Goods. We got a bunch of utensils and stuff from Home Goods. Got stainless steel spoon, wooden spatulas and spoons, the stainless steel like teaspoon measuring set, a lemon squeezer, can opener. We are in the process of looking for a nice knife set, but in the meantime we needed some knives to cut for when we're cooking. This little scrubber, peeler, whisker, and then these really cute bowls. Like, it's not a plate, it's not a bowl. Look. I thought it was really cool, and it's lightweight. Like, our dishes are porcelain, so they're so heavy. These are lightweight, and I like the little speckled look to it. But these are gonna be really nice, like a nice match with the placemats that I'm getting for the table. Then I got a cast iron pan. This is so heavy. I got some organizers for the bathroom drawers so I can organize my makeup and stuff, which I'll do that with you guys. And then I got, I don't know which one I'm gonna put. I think this one's gonna go in the fridge. This is going in the fridge, and I'm gonna put like my produce. And then these are for the bigger drawers in the bathroom. Now I feel like we have everything that we need for like to have like a fully stocked kitchen and bathroom. Because for the first 2 weeks living here, like this is now our 3rd week here. The first 2 weeks let me talk to you guys. Hey. The first 2 weeks, well, me and my mom have been planning. We threw my sister a baby shower, and it was just so like time consuming and costly. So we kind of like paused on like our furnishing and getting things that we need for the apartment. So for the last 2 weeks, trying to cook and do like regular stuff has been really hard because we just haven't had time or money to do that. But now this weekend we're focusing on getting back to furnishing, but we got everything that we need. Like, it didn't feel like we were super settled, and now that we have everything that we like kind of need, like essential like utensils and stuff, not just like eating utensils, but like cooking utensils, now it feels real. We were just downstairs, we were playing pool. We have like a game room. We were playing pool, and is it bocce? That's not bocce.
What's bocce?
Well, we were playing that skee ball? Not skee ball.
Skee ball.
Is it skee ball?
Skee ball.
Skee ball, and then what's the other one?
Shuffleboard.
Shuffleboard. Is it shuffleboard?
Shuffleboard.
Shuffleboard. So that was so fun. Ping pong. It was so fun. That was like a nice little way to spend our Saturday morning. We went really early this morning to go grocery shopping, and we stocked up the fridge. I do want to do like get one of those. I'm gonna put you in my fridge. Oh, I'm gonna put you in here. But I do want to do like get one of those like drink holders, if you know what I mean. And I want it to be like super organized in here. I think I'm gonna put the buckets of our. So this is Anthony's. He loves juice. Like buckets of our like veggies and stuff on this side, the drink thing on here. We have this as our dairy little cabinet, and then I just need to figure out how I want to put away like the vegetables and stuff. But yeah, we're still kind of like getting everything together. We also just got this little pot, so now we have this one and then this big one. I still need to put up the aprons. I want to put it like maybe, I mean it's gonna go here, but I don't know if I want to do it closer to one side or just right in the middle. But yeah, I still have to organize everything. I don't know where I want to put that. All of this I'm getting rid of because I just don't like the marble. It's so heavy. I'd rather get a wooden one. But yeah, this is gonna be gone, so it's really just that stuff. And then I kind of want to fill this with like sea salt and pepper so I can like take pinches and stuff. But yeah, that's really it. I haven't really updated this up here. I'm gonna do all of like the regular glassware that I'd use like every day here, and then maybe some nice cocktail glasses on the second level, and then it's just me and Anthony, so our plates and stuff can go here. But that's really it, I think. I haven't really updated much in the room yet, but I did put up this, we put this up together, this painting from my room, and then it's just a mess right now, so I'll show you more when it's like a little cleaner. But yeah, but for our bathroom, I'm not sure if I showed you guys this, but I did add these. I just got, oh, I forgot cotton balls. I meant to get cotton balls at the store today, but I just got some more Q-tips so I can fill that up more. Got some more cotton pads so I can fill that up some more. I guess I'll just put cotton pads in that one too until I get cotton balls. I think I showed you guys that this is one of the candles that we made for my sister's baby shower. We handmade these, and it's sandalwood and jasmine. It smells delicious. But this is basically what I got those like little clear containers for. I want to make sure that everything has a spot just so that it's more organized. And we have our toothbrush and toothpaste in here. I want to make sure that that is like put away. Under here, I'm not really using the space, but it's nice to have though. I just have like my travel makeup bag and then some travel stuff, my heating pad for when, you know, it's my time of the month, toilet paper, and then that's just like an extra little hair cabinet. But yeah, I think everything else, it's like I really rummaged through all of my stuff, and we did like maybe like 7 trips, like maybe like 10 bags total, 7 trips to Savers. We've dropped off so much stuff. I just didn't realize how many things we had, and like I feel like we have a good amount of storage here, but like storage aside, like there's just so many things that we have that we don't need. Like I just want the essentials, you know what I mean? Like I just want my makeup, and I want to be able to floss and brush my teeth and take just a nice shower and just not have so many products. And like it's just so crazy to me, like when I see like influencers and stuff, I'm not saying that I'm one, but I'm saying like when I love watching like YouTube videos, and I see like the amount of things that people get sent, and then it's just like a clutter of like skincare and like makeup and all that stuff. I just can't. I'm just like, I just want what I need, and then that's it. That's kind of like what I want to, like how I want to live going forward. Like I just, even hanging up my clothes, I thought I had so many clothes, but I donated so much and sold so much clothes like leaving New York that I actually don't really have that many clothes, and it's kind of nice. I mean, for summer I do have a lot of clothes in there away, but for winter I don't have that many clothes, and I don't think I'm gonna really be restocking like that. I'm also, anything that just doesn't bring me joy, I want to get rid of. Anything that doesn't fit me and I'm just saving it for when it does, I want to get rid of that, because like it's not serving like any purpose for me. But this is my like drug cabinet, whatever they call it. I just have my hair, my like hairsprays and like the ones that I got from Paris that I love, they smell so good, right there. And then this is really all I have for my skincare. I need to restock my skincare. I get the Ole Henriksen, like the moisturizer, the toner, the serum, and the cleanser. So it's just 4 products that will be up there after, but right now I'm just using this. It's not the best, but it does the job for now. And then my perfumes, I'm a Le Labo girl. I've just been trying out this one. It's the Loewe, can you see? Let's see if I can focus this. The Loewe Air. It smells so good. I'm testing it out to be my summer, my like spring summer scent, but I'm really a Le Labo girl. Another 13, this is my go-to. And then I have my gua sha and a face roller and like a tooth picker, and that's really it. So that's all. What a fun little addition to the dining table. And I really like the like off-white cream-ish yellow taper candles from H&M. I think once I'll light one so that there's like a little bit of a level situation going on. But this is how the table looks so far, and I'm really digging it. I am so excited for the other chairs to come, but so far this is the dining table, and I'm so excited. This table is really nice, actually. It did scratch up a little bit, but we're not really too concerned about that. But these are so fun. Do you see me in it? Good morning. Today's an exciting day for the house. I just got a notification that our rug got delivered from Nordic Knots, which I'm so excited about. And our utensil set got delivered. Things are slowly starting to come together. So we're gonna go downstairs really quick and pick it up from our package room. And then hopefully I'm gonna be setting it up.